Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start your dropshipping account and become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5. And obviously we're going to go in great detail and show you step by step exactly what you need to do to become a successful dropshipper. Because what we've done is that we've gone into great detail and looked at different elements and understood those elements and brought you the strategy that you could implement to become a successful businessman on Shopify.com, the global commerce platform where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And obviously, with millions of merchants worldwide, we can clearly see what they've done right and what they've done wrong. And based on that principle, we can understand exactly what we need to do and how we need to do it. They're available in 170 countries, and 10% of the total US e-commerce has been covered by Shopify.com. They've done an economical activity of $444 billion globally. Even if you can get 0.001% of that, you're set for life, guys. And one of the reasons why I absolutely love Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life. Where there's simple drag and drop store creator, you don't need any expertise at all. You don't need to hire a front end or back end developer. You can easily select from customizable templates that are available and created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities, which I'm going to show you in a second, with their online stores with apps that are being created by and trusted by Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere with the best converting checkout on the planet and flexible point of sales to power your retail store. And from the first touch to the full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, and the data that you can build on. You can stream your back office as well and oversee your operations and fulfill every single order. And you can manage your money where you make it, guys. And all you need to do is click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial and answer a couple of questions. The first question is, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling online or as a person? We're gonna say that we're just starting off right now. The second question is, where would you like to sell? And obviously you can pick as many as you like, and you can also change them later. They want to make sure that they're setting up you in the right place. Is it an online store? Is it an existing website or blog? Is it social media or online marketplace? Is it in person? If you're not sure, we're gonna go with an online store where we can create a fully customizable website. And the second thing is selecting a name, but we're gonna skip this for now. But guys, I always mention to individuals to select a name that really creates an impact and obviously gives a proper development and a proper information to individuals. And once you selected the name, you gotta select where you want the business to be located. And after that, guys, the most important element is how you want to create your Shopify ID. Is it with your email? Is it with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID? I always select Google ID because it's very simple and straightforward to use. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is gonna look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're gonna have your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts, and your online store. You want to add a product, all you need to do is click on add a product. Now once you click on add a product, you can easily start adding different products. All you need to do is put your title, your description, the media, the pictures that are required, the pricing that you wanted, the inventory that's available, the quantity and the shipping and the weight with the custom information, and obviously everything is going to be ready for you. But before you do that, I want to mention that you need to first pick a plan, guys, if you haven't picked a plan, because it's crucial to select a plan. Now there's different plans available. You got basic for $1 for the first month, then $49 for Shopify, and $299 for advanced. You can go for the yearly one and save 10% the first year, 20% in 2 years, and 25% in 3 years. Now obviously I always mention to individuals to start off as low as possible and then gradually start upgrading, because you can upgrade whenever you reach a milestone. And obviously you want to keep your fixed costs as low as possible, and that's a mistake which a lot of individuals tends to make. Now if you go for the monthly one and you choose this plan, you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you want to put your full information about your business address and your payment methods. Now there's two methods of paying. You can use your credit cards or you can pay by PayPal. If you look at the right side, you can see that we've selected the $1 plus tax every 30 days, how much we're going to be charged, and what is going to be the total for it. We're going to be billed absolutely nothing for the first month. So guys, if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the the description below and get Shopify for 90 days. Now we want to check what our online store looks like. Right now, there is absolutely nothing on the online store. So let's take a preview at our online store. This is what it looks like, guys. There's no information, but we want to put information. And the first thing we want to do is select a theme. The theme is the most important and the element that you need to select for your business. Now, there's a lot of themes available. All you need to do is click on visit the theme store. Now, there's certain themes which are completely free and there's certain themes which are paid for. You want to select the theme initially, which is completely free. Then once your business takes off, you can always upgrade to a paid one. As you can see, there's 11 themes which are free. There's 104 themes which are paid. So we're going to select the free ones over here and see the 11 that are available and select one of them and see how they're going to look. Now, obviously, looking at all these themes, you want to select something that really stands out. And obviously, the one that really stands out is this one over here. I absolutely love this. The looks really good. So we're going to visit the demo store and see how this actual theme looks like. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all the information that is available for you. What we need to do is only customize this information and make it personalized for our store, because it is as simple, straightforward, easy as that, guys. And if you like the theme and you want to use the theme, all that you need to do is click on try the theme. And once you click on try the theme, what it's going to do is we're going to select the actual account we want it for. And once we select the account, it's going to log in and finalize our identity. And then we're just going to click on add the theme, and it's going to be added to our online store. Now we can clearly see that it's being added on. It takes literally a couple of seconds for it to get ready. And once it gets ready, we'll be able to see it available on our online store on our dashboard. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see that the publisher right now is actually uploading this theme over here. This is our current theme, and this is a theme that's being uploaded right now. And once it gets uploaded, all we need to do is click on publish. Now, as you can see, this has been added. We're going to click on publish. Now our theme is going to be published. Now, once it gets published, what we need to do is that we need to customize it. As you can see, this is our current theme right now. And once you click on customize, you can personalize, you can customize, you can update all the information that you want. All you can do is hover or go over here and click on whatever you want, and you can easily start editing information out that you require on your heading, the rich test, the collags, the features. If you scroll down, you can select whatever element that you want to actually edit. You can add pictures, upload anything you want to, and create something that is truly personalized and customized to your store. It is truly that simple, easy, and straightforward, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you in whatever manner possible. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Please share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward it is to create a Shopify account in less than 10 minutes and start getting the financial freedom that you want and start selling online instantly and selecting the right products and putting them on Shopify and breaking away from the 9-to-5 and getting multiple streams of income so you don't have to work any longer, and you can start creating passive income from yourself from the comfort of your home. If you haven't checked our videos out, guys, go ahead and check our channel, because we've done a ton of videos that are available that can help you, guide you, and support you. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.